Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make some Parmesan and Rosemary golden fingerling potatoes. Oh yeah baby. What you got to do is boil you up a pan of them there, about 8 of them until you get them fork tender. Then remove them to a plate and take your fork and just roughly chop them, okay? Alright, now once you get them roughly chopped, I want you to take them babies and put them in a skillet that's pretty hot with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in it and about a quarter of a small onion in there with it, okay? Now once you get her in there, what you want to do is give it a nice dose of salt and pepper to your taste. Alright, and then I want you to come in with some fresh rosemary, okay? Just a little, not too much. Rosemary is very strong, so I'd say half a teaspoon of fresh rosemary. And then you see I just picked it off and threw it in there, or you could use ground up rosemary, but don't use very much at all, okay? Probably about a half a teaspoon would probably work out perfect, okay? So what we want to do here now is we want to move these babies around and get them brown. You can see the browns coming on them already there. Alright, now when they start getting good and brown and you like the consistency of your taters, I want you to take 3 tablespoons of butter, put it right in the middle of your pan and stir it around. Try to get a little bit of that butter on all your taters, you know what I mean? And then once you get that butter well split up around your taters, I want you to come in with some real Parmesan cheese, like I am here with my grater and that thing. And you see, grate it out of a block. Don't let nobody ever grate your cheese for you, you know what I'm saying? And then when she's done there, which it is by the time you put that Parmesan on, just pour them beautiful babies out onto a plate. And there you have it, y'all. Parmesan and Rosemary golden fingerling potatoes. Delicious. I hope y'all give this a try. I really do. And I hope you click like, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you go out and have yourself a super, super awesome day. Bye.